In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can remove the background from an image using the Pixlr website right here. So you can just search for Pixlr on Google and click on the first result here. All you need to do then is find the background removal tool, which is in the middle of the screen, or you can also find it in the search engine again and typing Pixlr background remover, and there you go. Just click there, remove, and this is in Italian right now, but you will find it in your own language. Now all you need to do is click on this link or button there and just upload the image. Now for this example, I've chosen an image from Raw Pixels, which is completely free right here. So you can, if you want the same image, just search for in Raw Pixels. And if you want, you can find also a video guide dedicated to Raw Pixels. So just need to create an account, click there and download. Now you can see here that you have also pictures that don't have the background already. So when you see this checkerboard there, it means that this doesn't have the background and it's in PNG, because PNG files don't have background usually. So they have a fourth channel, which is called alpha channel, which is gonna remove the background. You can do that also with Photoshop or GIMP or other graphic design, more advanced graphic design tools. But if you need to do something quick, to do photo montage or whatever you need the picture for, you can do it with Pixlr. It's gonna take just a couple of seconds. Just go there, upload the image that you download, and there you go. It's gonna simply remove the background in just one simple step. So all you need to do then is download here the image and the job is done. Now you can also have some additional tools here that you can explore. For example, you can invert, so you can download this in 2 versions. And so this is basically it. It's a really quick and easy tool that you can use online. And we're gonna make more videos probably about Pixlr. Now leave your comments if you want. You can also ask for assistance, or if you want suggestions. You can also ask your questions. You can subscribe to the channel, or you can join the channel as a supporter to support us in order to make more videos. So thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.